and subscribe. Today we will make our own volcano. You will need an empty bottle, some baking soda, a little bit of vinegar, some paper scrunched up, and not scrunched up. And we also need glue. First you place the bottle in the middle of the cardboard. Then you get your scrunch up paper and place it around your bottle. If your paper is not easy to stack, use some glue to hold it together. Here guys, I'll show you how to use the glue. It doesn't look cool now, but it will. Okay guys, let's get the flat paper. Dip it in the glue. And cover the volcano. Oh yeah guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm gonna try this for one day. Okay guys, our volcano is finally dry. Let's paint it now. This is the paint what I'm using. I have brown, yellow, and red. Let's start painting. Let's do the red now. Hey guys, it's time to do the experiment. We made baking soda, red food dye, and vinegar. That's really cool.
Do you think this is cool though?
Yeah.
What's your favourite part?
Three, two, one, go! Whoa! That was better! Yeah!
No.
Bye, dinosaurs. Bye, bye, friend dinosaurs. Hey guys, let's try it with food. Who's ready? One, three, two, one, go!
Whoa!
That was really cool. Oh, yeah. That was cool. This is my last experiment. Yellow this time. Three, two, one, go! That's green! Blue and yellow make green! Yay! Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Bye! Bye, dinosaurs. Here you go! Trees knocked down! Zion's channel, like and subscribe.